to my house, to my home. Today I'm going to show you what I'm cooking. Remember, we humans are omnivores. We can eat both vegetables and meat. So that's why we are omnivores. I'm going to show you what I am cooking. So I will cook some cabbage. I love them. I will cook an omelette with eggs. It will be delicious. Some vegetables, carrot, tomato. I just cooked rice, rice, and it smells delicious. Check here, beans. Wonderful, right? But do you think I should open my fridge to you for you to know what we have inside my fridge? Yes or no? Yes. So come on and check. Let's open the door. Oh, wow. Many different food. I will show you some things. Here I have eggs. We like a lot. Kiwi is a kind of fruit. You can go. Thank you, honey. Here I have potatoes, more vegetables, cabbage again. This is another kind of cabbage. Apple. We like to eat one apple every day here. What else, Laurinha? Look what I forgot to show to you. We have here a brownie cake. It was my husband's birthday yesterday, and we sang happy birthday to him with this cake. And we have some milks, different milks. I have coconut milk. I love this kind of milk. This is regular milk. My daughters loves it. And we have some not that healthy food like chocolate and other things. But why am I showing all this to you? Because the lessons that you need to do for today is to go to your fridge inside your kitchen, open the door, have a look at the kinds of food that you have inside, and I need you to draw in a paper at least 5 different kinds of food that you have inside. So you need to draw, and then below each draw, I need you to write the name of that food. Okay? So if you find meat, you will draw meat and then write below the draw meat. Okay? If you find a kiwi, so you draw the kiwi and write kiwi. And that's it. Okay? So, a big kiss with love for you.